I told you it's loud though.
Oh yeah, I like it. That's exactly what I wanted, man.
You need gas.
Yeah.
You need gas.
You need gas.
Alright, new one today guys. We've been showing a lot of C7s and C8s lately. Back to some C6 action, LS3. We got Mr. Torque, I think it's an 06 C6 Corvette. Came to us in pieces, no motor in it, missing a whole bunch of brackets, missing a whole bunch of bolts. Hopefully we can put this thing back together and have them on the road soon enough with stock short block and a nice heads and cam package. 500 rear wheel horsepower is the goal.
Woo.
Got a motor for you.
What you got there, dude?
Is it LS?
Will, come sign for this.
Am I allowed to say I'm signing the NDA?
Yeah, you can say that, but I'm allowed to say I ain't signing it. So we will keep rolling.
What's up? Whoa!
Did you order an LS3?
Thanks, dude.
Are y'all good with the things?
I guess he bought a crate, I guess. I think he bought yeah, the motor was blown up, so he bought a crate engine, shipped it to us. The car's on its way. And I think we're supposed to do like a heads cam package to it.
Perfect time to do that.
Yeah, exactly. Little heads cam, put it back together. And
Frankie, you could do that.
Down
You've been
the road.
studying all night.
down the road. I like you bought.
every morning.
I know.
Man, I wonder where he got this from.
It's TFWW.
To verify
Smells like ass. Must be
Crazy though, like, man, lady.
Does it have an engine in it?
I don't know.
Is that
Yeah. You give me a hand there, buddy.
It's engine.
That's my engine.
There's your radiator. Awesome.
Alright.
I'm done with y'all. All the parts in the trunk too are BBK.
What is going on right now?
That's how they drag.
Are we building drag cars?
Is this gonna be a drag car?
I have no idea what we're doing. Where's all the nuts and bolts? How about that? That would be the bigger question.
That's my next question.
Where's all the accessories?
Well, the whole new engine came with accessories.
He said a long block?
Yeah, we
Already?
got a whole crate. Remember?
Oh, okay.
And it had the bell housing bolts already still in the
Okay.
back. So we may be able to get away with this.
We'll make it right.
Will we?
We'll make it right.
We gotta feel all. This is amazing.
Welcome to 2022, Will.
Holy,
Yeah.
this is
Probably to move it.
this is the most incredible drink I've ever had.
Assuming the stupid radiator.
That really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, check out this.
That'll heat soak nice.
Double dome.
Yeah, that attaches back here. Yep, to there.
And if you have the whole long block with all the accessories, it shouldn't be that big of a deal.
No. We can get in.
What about a clutch?
He's got a clutch here, but he needs to order slash cylinder. I don't trust that much.
No. Put a new slave in.
Yeah.
New slave, what clutch do you have? Macaw?
I don't know.
Okay.
He hasn't grabbed it for me yet.
Okay.
He said he's got headers somewhere around here. A partial exhaust, so we can get rid of this.
I was like, we're gonna have to do red on this one.
Yeah.
It's alright?
Yes,
It
sir.
looks good. I love it. Now I want to hear it.
I want to hear it.
You got the keys, Frankie?
I think they got them inside.
Oh, they
but I
got 'em
think,
inside.
Ryan was.
That's perfect, man.
Let's
That's
see.
what it needed. Just a little something, you know.
Yeah. It's gonna be a fun little car.
Let's go active.
For real, dude. I mean, that's gonna be a big little hop.
Oh yeah. Just something to make it pop a little bit, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it sound a little better?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. You know,
like even on the dyno, it sounded kind of loud.
yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I like yours, right? Like so unsuspect.
I just, you know, I like just driving it and cruising it. And
yeah. How long have you had it?
It's been over a year now.
Yeah.
So it was all stock, and I wanted something to give it a little more, just a little something, you know?
Yeah.
Later, of course, I'd like to get one of y'all's packages, but for now, I just wanted something that make
at
it
least
pop
you'll
a
see
little
the change. You
yeah,
know what
yeah,
I mean?
yeah.
I think
why
that's
I wanted
the cool
it tuned.
thing.
You know, that's why I wanted to get it tuned, because I didn't want just to sound. Man, let me get him to tune it, and that way I can feel it too.
He spent some money to get it working right, and then he was like, man, it sounds totally different.
It sounds way different.
I've had a couple guys tell me the same thing, or I've seen them go to other places and it wasn't, you know, what they wanted.
Yeah.
And so I was like, you know what? Let me just take it to the people that are gonna do it right.
Bro, it looks so good.
All right, that's quiet.
I told you it's loud though.
Oh yeah, I like it. That's exactly what I wanted, man.
You need gas.
Yeah.
You need gas. You need gas.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You got any questions, anything, let me know.
I will, man. I'll probably, you know,
Come back later. E85.
Airbox
For the money.
Best bang for the bucks, what you're saying, or
Yeah.
what? Okay.
Another 30, 50 horsepower for...
What is, y'all got like a little dyno sheet or something y'all pull off or whatever?
Yeah, we'll print it for you,
What's up, Mr. Dean?
Got some pieces together.
I did get some pieces together finally.
Are you liking anything?
A few small parts, like we got an ARP crank bolt coming. That's not gonna stop me from getting her in the car. Going from an LS2 in this car to an LS3 now. So there's a few things that changed. Other than
What's the
that,
pros and cons from going LS2 to LS3?
it's just flat out LS2s suck.
Really?
LS3s are the shit. Can handle a lot more power.
Clutch is ready to shred.
Yeah, it is. We should have this thing running in a couple of days. I gotta get pulled off to do a ZL1 package real quick. But this customer is aware, you know, this isn't a quick thing.
Gotta be something. Oh, I already see one. Well, let's see what else we can find. I mean, yeah. Audis, Beamers, Mercedes.
It's filled up right now.
I like Audis. So, if we were to do a giveaway, guys, please comment below. Would y'all want C6 Corvette, C7 Corvette, or a C8? And then also, would you want a basic package done to it, like just a supercharger and headers, or would you want just regular exhaust on it? Comment below. I'm curious. We're here looking right now to see what might be a future build / giveaway vehicle. I said C6, C7, C8. I mean, Hellcat's not out of the question either. When you guys want a Hellcat, maybe a Trackhawk, maybe a TRX, maybe a Ford Mustang.
Trackhawk would be cool.
I don't know. GM, Ford, Dodge. Or you want to go crazy and do like a Porsche?
Communicating with the PCM. Yeah, I know.
It's plugged into all the plugs. Well, it has an engine. Originally, this car came with an LS2, which was a crap engine. We all know that. I was told that we were doing a swap on a C6. And when we got the C6, it had no engine harness, basically only a torque tube, a transmission, and that was it.
Brad Foster right up there.
We're doing that. I'm gonna go make a video.
Okay.
Come on. Dan, help them out. They need help. Have you ever ridden in a 500 rear horsepower car? I mean, this isn't nothing crazy, but have you ever ridden one?
No.
No?
Wow. What's the GTR? I don't even know.
Like a new GTR?
Yeah.
Man, they're probably flywheel.
Yeah, that's it.
600 horsepower?
Yeah.
Okay. So, I mean, this thing's made 500 rear wheel horsepower.
Okay.
Little heads cam. Again, nothing crazy, but cool. Yeah, man, we do so many C7 and C8s now.
Yeah.
I miss doing these, dude. I mean, this one's 50,000 miles on the odometer, but man, you do these cars right, they run so good.
Yep.
So it came with an LS2, but we put an LS3 in it. Just full heads cam. I want to say it made right over 500 rear wheel horsepower.
Nice.
But man, they're fun, dude. They are fun.
And after this, I might want to buy one.
Dude, I'm telling you, these will never get old.
Yeah.
I'm worried the price of these are going to keep skyrocketing because you won't be able to get manual transmissions anymore, you know?
Right.
Let alone a front engine Corvette, but also a manual trans. Spun really bad in first, but second gear hooks up and goes.
Yeah.
It's so weird driving an NA car again. I'm so used to all the boosted, all the blower cars we do. Feels good though. 500 rear horsepower. Feel okay?
Yeah, perfect.
Like this setup, you can beat the crap out of these things over and over again, and they just last. Let's do a second gear pull. Heads cam, 500 rear horsepower. The C6 Z06s, we get 600 rear horsepower.
Right.
Those run real strong. Those are fun. Those are fun. Yeah, let's go to old Britmore Circle. Back in my youth days, this is where I used to live, man. Did you go here back in the day? Street racing?
No.
Dude.
When I was younger, I'm originally from Philly.
Oh, okay. So in 2000, probably 2000, or actually probably 99 to 2003, 2005, this was the spot.
Oh, really?
Yep, right here. Now they got these parts on the side, but they stopped us by putting these speed bumps up here. Wait till you see it. We raced coming this way, and dude, we would live out here. If your car was fast enough, this stop sign was sketchy. Because we'd race a full quarter mile back in the day coming this way.
Yeah.
And my car, you know, at the end was pretty fast. You'd be out on the brakes right here. I'd have to have someone sitting here to make sure no cars were coming so I could go through it.
Oh, wow.
But look how wide it is.
Yeah.
And then, like I said, now they put these speed bumps up. I think probably 2005, I bet. I don't know, it's been so long, I don't remember. But this road used to be absolutely perfect. Perfect. So we'd all meet, people could park. This place was here, so you had all parking here, which would be completely full. And then these buildings up here on the left. God, I love this place. Brings back a lot of memories. Made a lot of money out here. There's a parking lot right here, and then a building's back there. You could park, and then look at this. So everyone would park down here. Whoever was racing would pull in here, pull around here. Then you line up. And the starting line used to be nice. Not this line, but the next line.
The trick is alkaline water, or is it holy? It's something.
This thing should do a pretty decent freaking burnout. It's been a while since I've done one in a manual car, so we're about to have some fun, bud.
All right.
I'm gonna try, normally you can do first gear burnouts, but it won't get that much wheel speed. So I'm gonna try second. Ooh, didn't like second. You know why? We got traction control on.
Oh shit. Okay.
Step number 1.
Turn off traction control.
I don't think I turned it off. I had it off and then we turned the car off to put the water. All right. Round 2?
Yes, sir. Let's do it.
Let's see.
Hell yeah.
God, you always get me, Dean.
It was new merch.
All right, guys, check it out. We got some new merch in Shane Designs. Check out the back.
Word.
If you want some, go to inshanedesigns.com and order yours today. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. New to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications for future content. Comment below about this LS3. What do y'all think? 500 rear wheel horsepower? Great daily or what? Until next time.
That's awesome.
What you think?
Awesome. I love it. I want to buy one now.
Sold.
Yeah, right.
Right?
That was badass.